in Denver. Had an early flight, about to get some breakfast. Really hungry and excited to explore this city, and then we're heading to Colorado Springs. Can't wait. This is our first meal. Larissa's still waiting on hers, but it's the same thing as mine. We arrived to our hotel. This is huge. Do we get a view? I'm not sure. I need to do this. Not bad. We can see the mountains from here. Not bad at all. Time for some steak. So guys, we're ending our first day in Colorado. We didn't do too much except like rest, visit Denver, just not so many places, but tomorrow we are ready for hike
the Rocky Mountains.
I'm really excited to see some gorgeous views, and hopefully we can enjoy these hikes. We just had some steak at Prime 25. I'd rate it like overall an 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, time to go get some water. So we arrived in the Rocky Mountains. It was a 3-hour drive. It's a little chilly. I have socks as mittens. Are you ready?
Hi.
Anita's our guide. She's gonna lead our way, but it should be really nice and beautiful, and yeah, something different. All right, guys, we're starting our hike. How's our energy?
Really great. We're excited. We're ready to take on the world.
Yep. I think we're like 10 or 15 minutes into the hike, and my ears are already hurting, my head's already hurting. I hope I survive. But we just got to our first lake, and here we are. This is beautiful. We arrived at Green Lake. It's breathtaking. Every few minutes you either feel warm or chilly, so you definitely need to wear layers on this hike. The air here is so fresh. Going up higher and higher. This is Emerald Lake. Leaving Emerald Lake.
And we're off to another lake.
We are exhausted, and we're not even 2 hours into the hike. Getting to the final lake of the day.
Careful there, Larissa. They move.
How are you guys feeling?
Great.
Larissa?
Out of breath. I'm doing wonderful. Where am I?
Here she is.
I'm a champ. Is she? And I know what the
It's raining now, guys. Hopefully not too hard.
not too hard.
Could be worse. It's raining now. We still have 2 more miles before we get to the car. But at least we're not going uphill. And when else are we going to be back here, right? Finally arrived to the waterfalls. I'll turn the camera around in a second. So exhausted.
This is a good fan. That on your mind.
Oh my god, guys. I think we finally made it. I've been hiking for now over 5 hours. I'm wet. I'm tired. I have to use the bathroom. I have a really bad headache. So probably because I didn't drink coffee this morning. But the parking lot is literally a few feet away. So happy that I did this hike and it finally came to an end. You hear me? Scene for a sad movie. So after over 3 hours of driving, we finally are getting a nice hot meal. Trying pho for the first time. Speak for yourself. Time to dig in.
Hey guys, this is day 3. We're en route to do some ATVing and then hopefully some hot springs. We just had some really good bagels. Like, they're pretty comparable to New York City. I would even say they might be at the same level. We had quite a rest after yesterday's adventure. It took us a really long time to get home. So if anyone's going to Colorado, if anyone wants to go hiking in the Rocky Mountain or Estes area, definitely I wouldn't recommend staying in Colorado Springs. Stay in that area, and you might want to stay in a few hotels because everything is really far from each other. It's like at least 3 hours away from Colorado Springs, everything besides Garden of Gods, which we're either going to do on our last morning or we're going to do tomorrow. But I'm really excited for some ATVing and some hot springs. Anyone else want to say anything? Excited. The bagels were really good.
Right. See you at ATVing. I look really funny, but we were about to go ATVing. It was just raining and hailing. Hopefully it stopped. How's Arena feeling?
Nervous.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be really, really fun. 4th day. Larissa, how's it going? I'll tell you guys about the bruises I got later on, and I'll show you the food.
Hey guys, short stop. This is my first time eating In-N-Out. How about you guys?
Mine also. Mine too.
We're gonna see how this goes. Let's see what the hype is all about. So we just got to Garden of the Gods. It's reminding me of a scene from The Lion King. It's so breathtaking. All of Colorado's pretty breathtaking. Garden of the Gods. And it's such a clear day. Anita, say hi. We're at the peak now.